Starting a woodworking business from your home could be an excellent way to earn an income. With right business plan and woodworking training system, you could reach your financial goals with little or no woodworking skills. As we all know, financial times are tough in many areas of Canada and the USA. There seems to be no stability working for various companies. Even if you are employed, the income you receive is poor. If you are looking for extra income, you might want to consider woodworking for money. This home-based business will be fun and easy to start. Consider starting a business constructing and selling wooden furniture. Many people are often interested in purchasing wooden furniture for their homes. Good quality wooden furniture always has a way of being sold. Homeowners will pay top money for this type of furnishing. This type of furnishing looks good and gives the customer a product that indicates that their money was well spent. With proper business plan and correct construction method, you might even be able to make money in your spare time building furniture and related products. Of course, you will need a place to work, such as your garage. You could even construct a shed in your backyard to start your woodworking business. Constructing a shed, made of wood, could be a way of starting your woodworking business. After successfully building a shed in your backyard, you could have people paying you to build a shed for their backyard. There are a number of resources that will give you step-by-step instructions with regards to woodworking projects. This type of business will require you to purchase various tools if you do not already own them. There are a number of hardware stores likely in your area that will help you purchase the tools needed in starting your woodworking business. You will also likely be able to purchase used woodworking tools in good working order. If you would like to start a woodworking business, check out Wood Profits. It's one of the best guides on starting a woodworking business from home.